This is second grade math lesson 4-3. We're going to be using models to add two-digit numbers. So let's take a look at our question here. Leslie collects 36 rocks. Her brother collects 27 rocks. How many rocks do they collect in all? So we know we're going to be adding. Use place value blocks to help you solve. Draw your place value blocks. So I'm going to do, let's see, I need to do 36. So I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 27. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay? And then we need to add it together. Now our ones, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. Can I have two digits inside this ones box? I cannot. I can only have one, and I can only have a group of ones. So what we need to do is bundle these tens into a group of one, just like what we do every day with our number of the day. So let's see, I had 7 here. So I'm going to make a bundle. I'm going to regroup them. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take those 3 there. That now is going to become a 10 stick, and I'm going to add it over here. So now we only have 3 ones, and let's count how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So our answer is 63 rocks. So again, what we want to do is we don't want to have numbers in our place value boxes. So if this is our ones and this is our tens, we can only have zeros 1 through 9 in there, or zeros, numbers 1 through 9, and zeros 1 through 9. We can't go higher than 10 because each box just wants one number. So if we have 10 in here, we know we're going to have to move one group of 10 over and keep our ones that are just 0 ones. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our back page here and go ahead and read through our comic. All right, let's add. 37 plus 19 equals what? Show 37, then show 19. So we can draw it, and then we can add it on here to our ones and tens chart. So add the ones first. So 7 plus 9 equals 16 ones. So there's 16 ones. We need to regroup the 16 ones as one group of 10 and 6 ones. So just like what we did, we're going to draw a circle around 10 ones and then bring it over. We're regrouping it or bundling it together, okay? So then we can add the tens. 3 tens plus 1 10 equals 4 tens, and 4 tens plus 1 10 equals 5 tens, okay? So it's going to take us some practice, but I know you guys can do it. Let's go ahead and take a look. Do you understand? Show me. When do you have to regroup when adding? Well, we have to regroup when the number is 10 or larger. When the number is 10 or larger, we need to regroup. All right, let's take a look at this one. We're going to draw down here. So we're going to add up here, and then we're going to do our place value blocks as well, okay? So we have 32. I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. And then 29 is really 2 tens and 9 ones. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Now, I'm going to see if I have enough here to make a bundle of 10. I have 9, and I can take one from our original group here. So there's my bundle of 10. I'm going to move it over here and draw a new 10 stick. So we have 1, 1. So right over here we have 1, 1. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. And do you see how we did the 1 here? And then this box up here lets us know if we had to rebundle. So we had 1 here. We did have to rebundle a group of 1. So this is our rebundling box. Okay, let's take a look at our next one. We have 24 plus 52. So I'm going to do 2 tens, 1, 2, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 ones. 1, 2. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 ones. Is that enough to make a bundle of 10? Nope. So we're going to leave it just as it was. 4 plus 2 is 6. Let's count our bundles of 10. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And our rebundling box, we didn't even use. I'm just going to put an X through it for now, but we didn't need to rebundle. Okay? All right, let's take a look at this. 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 10s. 1, 2, 3 10s and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a lot of ones that I just had to draw. So let's see if we can bundle those into a group of 10. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am going to take these here and I'm going to rebundle that and put it over here as a new group of 10. Now, how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. I had to make a new bundle. I had to add a new bundle. And we have how many 10s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can check it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now we're going to go into our independent practice page. I know these are pretty new. We haven't really done much of these before. So if you want to pause the video and try a couple on your own, you're welcome to do that. But if you need a little bit more time, you can, if you need a little bit more help or assistance, you can leave it on as we do it. Okay. So let's go and do our 10s and 1s. And we're going to draw our picture here. 36 is 1, 2, 3 10s and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our 10s are 2 10s, 1, 2, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a ton of ones. That is way too many to have. So we want to try and bundle those into a group of 10. So I have 9. I'm going to take 1 from here, and I can make a bundle of 10. So I'm going to take that bundle of 10 and move it over. Now, how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ones. I had to rebundle one group. And let's count our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we look here, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Okay, look at this. 27 plus 23. 27 is 2 10s, right? It already says right here, 2 10s. 2 10s, 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 23 is 2 10s. 1, 2, plus 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see if we can rebundle these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guess what? I can take all of those and put them into one bundle. How many ones do I have left? 0. I did one rebundling. I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a total of 5 groups of 10. All right, let's keep taking a look here. All right, 59 plus 13. 59 is 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 13 is one group of 10 and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now look at all those ones. I think we can make that into a bundle of 10. So I know I have 9 here. I'm going to borrow 1 here. And I have 2 left over. And I'm going to rebundle that and put it over here. So I have 2 1s left over, 1 rebundle, and let's count how many 10s we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can check it up here too. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. All right, we're almost done with our independent practice. 24 is 2 10s, 1, 2, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 35 is 3 10s, 1, 2, 3, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see if we can bundle these into a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't make a bundle of 10. So I'm going to have my 9 here. Did I have to rebundle? Nope. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10. So our answer is 59. Okay, let's look at our higher order thinking. Draw the second addend to come up with the sum. Okay? So let's see what this is. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23. And our sum is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58. So now we have to figure out, we're really doing 23 plus what equals 58. So let's add our ones first. 3 plus what will give us 8? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know my ones place can be a 5. And then 2 plus what equals 5? Let's do our tens place. 2 plus what equals 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. So our second addend is going to be 35, or 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. All right, let's go back to our final page. Let's see how that's looking space-wise. We're looking pretty good there. All right. Math practices and problem solving. Solve the problems below. Draw place value blocks to show your work. Chen counts 47 buttons. Then he counts 20 more buttons. We're adding more. How many buttons does he have in all? So we're looking for our sum. So we're going to do 47 plus 20. How many does he have in all? So let's add our ones together. 7 plus 0 is 7. So that is one digit, and it's not higher than 10, so we can leave it there. We don't need to regroup. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So we know Chen has a total of 67 buttons. All right, let's take a look at this one, math and science. There were 24 earthquakes in the U.S. one year. There were 23 earthquakes the next year. How many earthquakes were there in those 2 years? So we're going to be adding together. So we have 24 plus 23. So let's add our ones first. 4 plus 3 is 7. That is not 10 or higher. So we do not need to regroup. And 2 plus 2 is 4, a total of 47 earthquakes. Okay, let's look at number 11. Write an addition story about desks and chairs in your classroom. Use pictures, numbers, or words. I'm going to do pictures. And I'm going to say, there are 20 desks in the class and 20 chairs. How many desks and chairs in all? Desks and chairs in all. And again, you might want to write something else totally different. But I'm going to add 20 plus 20. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. So there's a total of 40. All right, let's take a look at our assessment. Do you have to regroup to find each sum? You guys ready for the top secret information on this one? You add the ones together. So let's underline all the digits in the ones place. If those two numbers, when it's added together, is 10 or higher, we have to regroup. So do we have to solve all of these? Does it ask us if we have to get the sum of all of these? No, if we have to regroup to find the sum. So 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Is that 10 or higher? No. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Is 11 10 or higher? Yes, you have to regroup. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. Is 12 10 or higher? Yes. So we have to regroup. And 6 plus 0 is 6. Is that 10 or higher? No. So now we know just by looking at the numbers in the ones place if we have to regroup or not. Great job, everybody.